Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Sea of Thieves songs on guitar. First, ensure your guitar is tuned correctly, typically to standard E-A-D-G-B-E. Next, understand that the game uses a simplified musical scale, often a pentatonic one. Focus on learning basic open chords like G, C, D, and M, which are fundamental for many tunes. Start with a comfortable strumming pattern, perhaps a simple down-down up-up down-up. To truly capture the game's spirit, focus on common chord progressions. Many Sea of Thieves tunes utilize simple 3- or 4-chord patterns. A steady rhythm is crucial. Try counting 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and as you strum. Practice transitioning between chords slowly at first, ensuring each note rings clear. Aim for about 60 to 80 beats per minute when starting with a metronome. Now, let's tackle some iconic Sea of Thieves tunes. Start with simpler melodies like Becalmed or Maiden Voyage. Look for guitar tabs or simplified sheet music available online. Many fan communities provide these resources. Break each song into small, 4-bar sections and master each part before combining them. Listen intently to the original game soundtrack to internalize the feel and timing of each piece. To elevate your playing, experiment with various strumming patterns and dynamics. Try adding a palm mute for a more percussive sound, or incorporate simple fingerpicking for melodic flourishes. Playing along with the actual game soundtrack can significantly improve your timing and feel. Dedicate at least 15 to 20 minutes daily to practice, focusing on both new material and refining old favorites.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.